think a classic sponge recipe is worth its weight in gold, and I think mine is foolproof if you follow all the steps. In the July issue of Essay Life magazine, we're celebrating South Australian honey, and I've got lots of recipes for you, both savoury and sweet. So today I'm going to take my classic sponge recipe and warm it up with some spices and some beautiful Kangaroo Island honey. So you'll need 4 free-range eggs, 165 grams of caster sugar, and a nice big teaspoon of this Kangaroo Island honey. That's going to whip up for 10 minutes. So while it's doing its thing over there, we can get on with the rest of the recipe. The trick to a light, lovely sponge is to incorporate as much air as possible, and that's why it's so important to sift our corn flour, plain flour, cream of tartar, bicarb of soda, cinnamon and ginger. Now we're going to sift this 3 times. You can do it even more than that if you like, but at least 3 times. So our 10 minutes are up and we've got a beautiful volume, and that honey's given it such a gorgeous aroma. Now what we need to do is, using a metal spoon, incorporate our flour into our egg mixture. Now be really careful that you don't lose any of the volume that we've just put into these eggs and flour. Don't be tempted to use a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon because you'll just lose volume. Just fold and cut so that you're incorporating all the flour as quickly as possible. And into 2 prepared cake tins, 22 centimetres, divide the mixture up evenly. I've prepared the tins by greasing and dusting with corn flour, and I've put a piece of baking paper on the bottom. Then the last thing to do is to make sure your batter is nice and even by giving that a swirl and a bit of a shake. Don't tap it on the bench. Do it with both, and then into the oven, 160 for 18 minutes. When your sponges are cool, it's just a question then of drizzling one of them with some Kangaroo Island honey, whoa, and the syrup from the glacé ginger. This ginger syrup you'll find at your local Foodland. Just like that. Now I've already whipped up 300 ml of cream with some more honey, and I'm going to put half of that onto this cake. Take it right out to the edge like that. Put the other sponge on top, and then the other half of the cream decorates the top of that. And to finish it off, I'm going to use some glacé ginger. Glacé ginger gives a beautiful shine and really enhances the flavour. Then pop it onto a lovely cake platter, take it to the table and wait for the applause. Now, of course, you'll find this recipe in this month's Essay Life magazine, and as always on our website. Enjoy.